Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're finding the indefinite integral and we need to check the result. We have the integral of the cubic root of x squared dx. As we saw in previous videos, what we need to do here is to transform to x elevated to a fraction, right? Rather than keep the root in there. So let's remember that a to the n over m is equals to the m root of a over n. What we're going to do is we're going to see this backwards. So this will be the integral of x to the 2/3 dx. Okay, let's apply the rule. We need to add 1 to 2/3 and we will divide by the same, by the 2/3 plus 1, plus our constant of integration. So we'll have 2/3 plus 1. 1 is 3/3 plus 2/3. That will be 5/3 divided by the same 5/3 plus RC. And this will be 3/5 x to the 5/3 plus c. Okay, what can we do now for checking the result? We can derive this. I'm going to use the prime as the operator for derivatives. Okay. So this will be 3/5 times 5 over 3 x 5/3 minus 1, which is 3/3, will be 2/3, and the derivative of the constant c is 0. What happens here? This 3 and 3 cancels out, the 5 and the 5 cancels out. So we'll have just x to the 2/3, which is the cubic root of x squared, which is our original function. Right, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.